To me, the most exciting part of Harley-Davidson is that intersection between functionality and emotion. Whether you're riding a Harley-Davidson, looking at a Harley-Davidson, or you're listening to a Harley-Davidson, it should be a characterful experience. And that's how we get there with paint and graphics. We're constantly trying to get you to get closer to the bike, to look at the details. The Harley-Davidson Factory Custom Paint and Graphics program gives really highly desirable paint and graphic schemes to our riders. It's factory installed by the experts at Harley-Davidson and the folks who live and breathe this stuff. We wanted it out of the box, on the motorcycle, and delivered directly to you through your dealership with the same warranty that any standard color would have. There are 3 factory custom colorways offered on a number of bikes for 2025. Mystic Shift. Its hue shifts dramatically from dark gunmetal to purple to blue to almost orange. The closer you get to it, the more the paint reveals itself to you, whether it's the size of the flake that's in the paint or it's the way it's shifting depending on where the sun is. It's like the paint job is sort of alive and it's changing depending on the environment. Also in the 2025 Factory Custom Paint and Graphic Collection, we're bringing flames back. We're doing it in a really cool way with ghost flames. Whiskey Firestorm and Midnight Firestorm. So we have a warm space and we have a slightly cooler space, depending on what you desire. There's another level of sophistication with these. They're not sort of in your face. In certain lighting situations, you don't even see the flames. And then the sun hits it a certain way as you're going by and the flames light up. We are unquestionably the leaders in innovation in terms of execution, the amount of time and rigor and the amount of engineering that goes into the paints themselves. We're constantly trying to outdo what we did the year prior. Discovery is a really important part of the Harley-Davidson brand and DNA. Get to the dealership, ask the dealer to roll it outside, look at it in the sunlight, and really that's when these things come to life. That's when you really start to understand the level of execution and quality that we've delivered with this collection. Until you do that, you really haven't had the full experience.